I want this to pop more to the upside to give me a better buy-in for a put. That's not a bad position right there. I like it. Now, if it touches 44 again, I'll add. Otherwise, okay, there we go. You see how that set me up for success because I'm looking at this candle? So I watched for it to pop up. Same thing here. If it touches 44, I'll get more puts here. Now I got to be careful here. The way that came through, it came through too fast. By the way, did I make money on the last one? $50, that's all it gave me? Junk. Now look at the way this broke through. This is why I didn't want to be heavy puts down here. Now we're in calls up to 414.70. 414.70, I'm going to be looking at puts again, but I have to make sure it holds the line. If it does, I'll buy into it. If it doesn't, I won't touch it. So I could start a starter position here as a feeler, lowering my position size, waiting to see what this does. Now I'll buy one small one. There it goes. That's my feeler. Oh yeah. Look at that. Now, do you see how small that was? And that little small amount of contracts was worth $180. Do you see how it stopped at 414.70? Now it's flushing. So now I'll go a little heavier because now it's super flushed. When it touched 70, it should bottom right out. Boy, I got a bad fill because look at it. I'm still not in the green. I know I got it way before that. That's because Gamma hammered me. So that just means I paid a lot for the premium. But the way it touched 70 and pulled really hard is a positive sign. But again, I won't be sitting in here for long. It's got to stay below 44. Stays below 44. I'm still in good shape because that was our last critical level. I don't like it. We'll see what it does because I can always add right here. We already know where that was. So right here is an add. Now, again, if it breaks 70, though, I'm in bad shape. And then I'll change it flush and I'll dump the whole thing. There it goes. Nice flush. A little more. There it goes. Come on. There it goes. Take half. I'll take half. Starter position. Waiting below 44. Waiting here. It's got to stay below 44 in my head. If it does, starter position. And you had a big candle push down. So now I got to watch for a pop. It's opposite of what you think. Big candle push down usually means buyers will try to drive it back up, which will then get it forced back down. Right there is my buy now. And I got to be careful because buyers are really coming in hot. This is why I bought it so high. I can actually add here. There's one. As long as it sits down, there it goes. And I'll take that. All right.